Right then, we're up for our first game of bingo. Garth. Right then, as you can see, we've now got one of the first rafts coming through now. Yeah, as you can see, okay everyone, as you can see, right then. Right everyone, come on, welcome to the raft run. Another great day. Let's get a big roar for our first raft coming in, come on, a big cheer. Watch yourself falling here. Yeah. I'm not sure, I'll tell you in a minute. You're number 10. Yeah, the raft coming in is raft number 34. Over here.
This is the first one? Yeah. Well, this is the first, so what do you get there?
I haven't a clue. I think that's raft number 34 or something. Right, raft number 34 is SS Sunward. Come on, a big round of applause. Come on, well. Well done. Well done. Well done. Raft 34. Yeah, the raft coming in now is raft number 18. Well done, lads. You want to come over this way? Right, just go round.
So they've got to come in here, have they?
Right. Well done. Yeah, well done, Raf 34. Well done. A big cheer, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Oh yeah, that's Princess Pierce, eh? Oh yeah. Huh?
See, it's all made of like wood and that. It's got no engine on it.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
It's a long way. You have to make it themselves.
Well done, Raf 13.
That's the second, number 2.
Oh, but I like
And they've got to try and get up here before they get off.
I don't know what feet he says. I think you're going to get it.
Right, Raf number 18 is the Windy Millers. This is the 15th year that they've taken part, so well done again. Come on, go for it! Just think of that nice pipe. Go on!
Look at the seats, I think I must have sat.
Come on, keep coming round.
Yeah? Yeah, go around there, come in.
That's it, come round now. That was fun. Big round of applause. Draft number 18. Well done. Well done. Go on.
You know where it is, so like come over there.
Look at me. Yeah, brilliant.
Here's a adjudicator.
Right, you can see what now. 1 Raf, make your way over now. Come on then, keep going. Come on, start turning round that boy. Come on. Just into the cider. The cheeseburger then. Oh, let's go for it. Kebab. Come on now. Well, give him a big round of applause. Right, Raf 39, whatever, rights again. Come on, keep going. Go on. Come on, finishing line, come on. Keep going, keep going. And well done. Well done, 3rd place. Well done.
Det var well, mae o'n y traffig yn la. Doedd o I tenel I. A wedi bod yn o'i disgo yna. Oedd y geir wedi. Lle chi parcio? Dros y bont. Ie, troi o'r dde am yna. Disgo lawr yna.
Okay, the next raft coming is raft number 14. Come on. One raft 14, finishing line over here. Red Busy Blondes, come on. Come on, Robertson's Brewery. Come on! Go for it! Keep going! Round the orange boat! Keep going, number 14. Round the boat. Take it, you're getting the drinks in.
How was that in your way? You stand there and he stands there. What's that little girl?
Felix, you take a step right now.
Charlie, you stay there. Alex, how can you not see above his head?
Keep going, look at the two rafts here. Come on, go for it. Lads on the jet skis, could I ask you just to move out the way, please? Please, just in the interest of safety. Move out the way, please. Come on, you're just creating waves for these rafts. Come on, raft 30, keep going. Keep going straight on. Raft 16.
Oh yeah.
Raft 30, just go round the boat here. Raft 16, come on, keep going. Round straight lady. That's it, 30, keep going. Round the boat. Come on, 16, you're doing well.
Hello there.
Come on, raft 30, come on. Keep going, raft 30 round. That's it. Come on over here now. Come on over. Come on. They're all coming in now. Come on, you need to go for it. I like cider. I like cider. Come on, go for it. Come on, the finishing line. Come on, Ralph 16. Come on, go for it. Come on. Oh. Number 16 and Ralph number 1 very close now. Come on, ladies. Well done. Ralph 30. Big cheer. Well done. Ralph 16, start turning. Come on, 16. Come on, go for it. Come on. Number 1, over here. Come on, 16. You have 16 left.
So all the bigger ones have kept the bigger circle.
Number 16, the thirsty girls. A big round of applause. Well done. Ralph number 1, Hughes Gray, head office. Well done, Hughes Gray. Well done, Ralph 16, and well done to Ralph number 1. Okay, the next Ralph coming in. Come on, lads, over here. Go for it. The only big boy, you knew something to get mixed up in it. Go on! Well done. What number are you? 22. Well done, lads. Well done. Yeah, welcome 1. Well done.
Yeah. This aluminium thing. Compared to that.
It's complete boat versus
Take that to that house.
Yeah, you get more satisfaction after getting a course on one of them. Bring it.
Was it women that were on the number 16?
Yeah.
Look at these, he's got a super blaster like you said.
The Ralph coming in now is Ralph number 5, one of our main sponsors, PG Cabs. Come on, start turning now. Come on. Finishing line over here. Come on.
They've got comfy
Go
seats
for
to
it.
sit on.
Come on. I love to boogie.
That one's even got hodges.
What's this got here?
It's drainage. You know the sewers? Drainage pipes.
If you all look up in the sky then you can see one of these little aerojets. They're filming us, so smile. And if you should be at your work, hide.
You should be at what height? There's one of these flying things filming.
Drone, you've been up the other end, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well done, PG Dubs.
He's a...
Well done.
I don't know whether he's filming it or...
He looks quite official. He's got
yeah, he's got all the gear,
all
yeah.
the gear. Yeah.
Keep going, right into your slip right now. Well done. You know what they say with the taxi, never too late. You don't know much chance of getting done for loitering.
There we are. I've got an idea. Martin, Storm Shield next year.
Oh, you know. Martin and you and
Lots of his kids.
lots of his kids, yeah.
Roughing them with a bit.
Even got a life. Or is it a sail?
Sail.
It's a sail. Seems to be a design that works. Flotation and planks and office chairs screwed onto the planks, so you've got something to sit on.
We'll walk into that.
Yeah, we might have one.
Come on, let's go. Well done. Last few minutes, come on, go for it.
I still want to find out where the boys would get on sick.
Come on, number 9, that's it. Come on, keep going, keep going. Well done, round to your 9, that's finishing. Come on, go for it, finishing line. Raft number 9. Well done, Raft number 9. Well done. Come on, Raft number 7. Come on, go for it. Come on, go for it. Look behind you, there's some rafts catching up with you, so come on! Go for it! Come on! All together! Go on, well done! Come on, give them a big round of applause. Raft number 7.
Aye, that's small.
Well done, 7. Come on, keep going. Come on, just round that ball. Come on, keep going. Don't give up. Come on. Come on, keep going. Keep going for it. That's it, round the boat. Round straight load it. That's it, start to turn now. Come on, go for it. Come on. Come on, go for it. Come on, go. Everyone smile. Come on, go for it, number 7. Come on, go. Come on, give him a big round of applause. Raft number 7. See the day. Well done, Giacomo. Well done, Raft 7. Make your way over to the slipway. Raft number 7. Would you like to smile? Keep going! Come on, the finishing line! Well done, Raft number 20. Clara Keg, well done. Well done. Load the boat here! Come on over! Last 37, come on, round, straight lady. Round the boat. Come on, go for it. Look down. Come on, Raf, 33. It's catching up with 37. 32 is very close. Got a bit of a battle here, Kellys. Come on. Raf 32 coming up from the rear. Come on, 32. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Glenn Gooder! Come on! One straight lady! 33, 32, neck and neck! Come on, 32! Get up close to 33! Yeah, they're getting there! Kelly's heroes seem to be struggling at the moment! Oh, 32! Oh! Getting close! Oh, we're in for a tight finish here! We've got Raf 33 in the lead, followed by 32. Come on, Glenn Gooder, finishing line, go for it! Come on, Kelly's heroes, well done! Just give yourself a bit of space from straight lady, please. Come on, go for it! Last few minutes, you're not finished yet! Come on! Come on, oh, there's only one or two paddling there. As you can see, we've got 5, 6, 7 rafts, 8, 9 rafts all coming in at the same time. That's it, 32, turn now. Come round. Round this way, 32. Come on round. Well done there. Well done. Come on right here! Stick! Turn! Come on, turn round! Come on, 32! Well done, come on now! Well done to Anglesey Rebels. You may be the first ladies raft in, so well done. We'll let you know. Yeah, well done. Well done, Kelly's heroes, well done, lads. And again, a very well dressed raft. A big round of applause for 33 Kelly's heroes. Well done. As you can see, we've got raft number 8, raft 31. Very tight here, very tight. We're in for a tight finish now. A bit of a clash. As you can see, in a bit of a battle here. Come on, go for it, you're not finished yet! Come on! Keep going, finish it right, come on! Come on, 31! Come on, get it done now! Come on! Well done, Ross, number 8, well done. Well done. Come on, Ross, 31, almost done. Well done, 31. Come on. Right. Anyone with a vehicle registration FE65FWT, could you please move it as soon as possible, please? Yeah, Ross 17, well done. Menai Rugby Club, well done. Yeah, and next then, as you can see, it's our boat Rita 21 Hardy Sales, well done. Ross 21, well done. Hey Dan, go for that pint now. Well done. Well done. Ross number 1, you have to get around that boat. 25, Costco, well done. Come on, Ross, number 12. Round, straight lady, come on. Come on, 24. Come on, Ross, number 12. Come on, go for it. Finishing line, come on. Club Bike, hurry. Well done, come on. Come on, go for it.
Oh, they're massive.
Well done, Ross number 12. Well done. Come on, Ross 24. Come on, go for it. Ross 15, can you get round the boat? Just round it. I know it's a bit of a struggle for you.
Which one?
Boat 15, that blue one. That blue boat, boat 15. This one going past the boat.
It's very polite. Didn't you say it was a bit of a struggle?
29. 26. Thank you. 29. Just come through this way now. Well done, Ross, number 15. Well done. 29. 29. Ross number 6. Round the board, please. And come in. Well done. Come on, number 6, go for it. Come on.
To finish it.
Number 6, come on in, this way. Go on, come down.
I wonder if it was just too difficult to get to the big end.
Yeah, people often struggle with it.
And then they've got to get back here anyway for this, yeah. To get out. Some of them will have to rope it, don't they? Yeah, I'm quite surprised they made it.
Well done, Aviva. Well done. Well done.
look,
Draft 27. Well done. Well done, draft number 13. And as you can see, the very last draft over by the Bangor side is going to head straight down towards Clanberthocklin. So well done. Let's get to put this stove here in the bridge. We have the car stickers at 50 pounds, programmes, red time and t-shirts. 4.99. Yeah. Okay. Well, a big round of applause for our last raft coming in. Well done for the effort, and well done, raft number 10. Come on, go for it. Come on. Cider, cheeseburgers, shandy. Yeah, turbo shandy. Come on now, go for it, lads. Last few, come on, few stretches. Well done. Yeah, well done. Raft number 10. Well done. Round of applause, come on. Yeah, again everyone, please support our local stalls here, and of course, yeah, pubs as well. Entertainment on all day and all night, right until Tuesday morning.